Hey, it's Dr. Brenda, financial coach, sociologist, full-time RVer traveling the country with my 3 cats. Are you geared up to join a workshop? Are you? Okay, let's start the ball rolling. Take out a piece of paper. Take out a pen. Going to give you a little bit of time. Are you ready? I want you to write these 3 words down. Okay, here we go. Inverted yield curve, credit default swap, margin call. Are you excited about the workshop now? Me neither. Me neither. I'm not teaching you that junk. That's just a bunch of jargon. Okay, cross it out. Go ahead, cross it out. You don't need to know anything like that. These are the 3 principles, the 3 concepts. Replace those 3 pieces of garbage with this. All right? Number 1 is painless. Number 2, personalized. Number 3 is powerful. That's it. I am going to make this workshop painless, and I am going to make the whole process painless, so eventually you don't even have to think about your money. Things are automated. You're tracking it. You have to hit a point where you don't worry about your money all the time. Wouldn't that be great? Okay, painless. Yeah, there's going to be homework. I'm going to walk you through it. That's even painless. All right, personalized. My circumstances are my circumstances. You know, you've got a different situation, different scenario than everyone else here. So we're going to create a financial plan, a financial pathway for you that takes into account your purposes, your big goals. What do you want out of life? What are your life circumstances? What's your work circumstance? What's your family circumstance? It's going to be personalized. That's why I take only 10 women in each workshop. That last piece, powerful. I want you to feel empowered to be able to master your own finances. Don't give your money away. Don't give the decision making away. Don't do that. I don't want you to end up regretting something that down the line where it's like somebody really screwed you up badly and now you have to worry about being a bag lady. Don't do it. Be powerful. We're going to take charge of that. What are you going to get by the end of this workshop? You are going to have your own very, very powerful action plan. It's going to meet your circumstances. It's going to guide you. It's going to navigate you. And you're going to be able to know when and how you're going to reach financial freedom. What you do with your freedom, that's highly personal to you. But just think about it. Just think about, having those layers of stress and layers of worry peel off and being able to decide what to do on a Monday morning. Wouldn't that be cool? That's what I want for you. Okay, so, yep, that's our goal. At the end of this, you're going to create that powerful action plan. How are we going to do this? It is really not complicated. We're going to look at some of the money myths and some of the mindsets and some of the things that may hold you back, but this is all about, this is how easy it is. Financial freedom is this easy. Grow your income. Cut your expenses, that includes your debt, and save and invest the difference. That's it. So, I'm going to show you what order to do things in, but I'm going to give you all of the information that I have picked up over the course of years of reading and studying. I'm going to pile it in all one weekend, so you are going to be set to go. I wish I had this type of thing when I was 10, 20 years ago. It would have saved me a lot of trouble. So that's my goal. Bring you on board, teach you about personal finances, give you a powerful personal plan. Are you ready to join me? Again, I take only 10 women. Check out my Facebook group. I've got a really nice Facebook group, and in that Facebook group, I have special deals and offers occasionally, so you don't want to miss out on a discount code. You don't want to miss out on some great bargain, like joining my Dream Plan Save Do program. So, hey, come on in. I hope to see you in the workshop. And remember, it's painless, personalized, powerful. See you there. Bye-bye.